Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Pinterest account permanently. The process is really easy. I'll get straight to the point. So first of all, open Pinterest on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. As you can see on the screen, this is the homepage of Pinterest. On the homepage, you'll have to tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner. It is right besides the chats icon. When you do that, you'll see your profile like this. And on your profile, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then from this menu, you'll have to go to Settings. Once you reach the Settings page, under Account Information, you'll see the third option, that is Account Management. Go ahead and tap on it. So on the Account Management page, you can see the last option, that is Delete Your Data and Account. If you tap on it, you'll be able to delete your account. On this page, you can go through the text, and after you're done, if you still want to continue, tap on Continue. Then here you can select the reason why you're leaving the app. Now tap on Send Email. The next step we are going to do is check our mailbox. On the mailbox, you'll see this kind of email sent by Pinterest. And here you'll simply have to tap on Yes, Delete Account. Now if you refresh and open the app again, then you'll see that you've been logged out of your account. When you see this, you can be sure that your account has been deleted. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.